Entertainment and Sports Arena. It's finally here, ladies and gentlemen. It is opening night of the inaugural season for the Capital City Go-Go.
Shout out Go-Go. Shout out Go-Go's. Wanted to get out, see what was going on in the community. We're both really big sports fans. This is opening night, so this is amazing.
Go-Go, it's part of the culture. You can't mention DC without Go-Go. And the team, they just represent. Look at this arena. It's beautiful. It's amazing.
Commissioner Adam Silver and our owner, Ted Leonsis, in the building.
It exceeded all of my expectations, and it's state-of-the-art in every way. It's just a fantastic asset for the community and a great asset for both the G League and the NBA.
For these guys, you're right on the cusp of being an NBA player, and a lot of times it's as simple as getting playing time. So the G League gives these guys an opportunity to make that leap to the next level.
Comes back to Poirier. He attacks. Two-handed jammer. Great drive from Jarrell Poirier. Randall three. He knocks it down. Chiozza, the lob. Just enough for Devin Robinson to throw it down. And a little shimmy and a little shake. To Robinson for the one-handed jam.
Look out below.
Randall up to 34 points.
Great shot by Randall. Good effort by the Go-Go.
I believe the fans here got to see a really good basketball game tonight.
It means a lot that we could, bring the community together. We're just going to continue to come out there and, try to, put on a show and run these games for the fans.
I just want to thank the community, the folks in the DMV for coming out and supporting us. The crowd was electric. We got a lot of energy from them.
You can see it from the benches, from the coaches to the crowd, everybody. It was just a great atmosphere. As they continue to watch, they're going to always see us play hard. We're going to go out and represent Capital City Go-Go in DC.
Good night. There you go.